Hello everybody, we are here at the second game of the opener of the Jays. The opener was yesterday, so today it's going to be the Seattle Mariners are in town. I'm going to take you around today on the Rogers Center / the Dome before the game, so we're going to check it out. So if you want, this is the Mariners are taking BP, right? And the new sections going around, like there, definitely new. They moved the dugouts. So let's walk around. The King Bud Club. The premium entrance. So there's a guy who wants a different one. I guess it's another season's entrance, eh? Yeah. So, anyways, yes, it is 2024 season. The Jays are having a mediocre start. You know, they had a good one yesterday. Hopefully they can continue that today. The bats kind of came alive a little bit. Still early, so I thought I'd take you folks on this walk, kind of show you the new Skydome / Rogers Center. Like this definitely was not here last year. Yeah, I think they do more here now. Here, I guess you get a better view of the batters here now, right? So. This part here has definitely been changed. They've updated the sections, so the section numbers are different this year. They reduced the capacity, so the spacing is definitely different this year as well. I don't know how to get these seats are here, right? You know what the seats? Disabilities? Maybe, yeah. It's also on Tuesdays. It's a Looney Hot Dog Day, so I'll definitely be munching on some of those. Maybe I'll make a short on those, because folks seem to like when I eat and do shorts, so hey, why not, right? But I want to thank everybody for tuning in and watching as well. My channel is a very small channel, but I'm just amazed at all the people that are watching. So I thank you. It's a new season for the Jays, so thanks again. I'll do the best I can in terms of bringing you Jays action as well. Baseball action is great, and on top of like the shows and the concerts and stuff that I go to, and the fun gambling bets that I make, it is all just fun. So it's cool. Here's the bullpen, and then you can get seats here. It's not bad in terms of homers. It's not bad here. Oh, and there's the hot dog count over there. 2,334. And then there's the 50-50. I'll be doing the shorts on that. I know folks like to watch that. So I'll be updating folks on that as well. This is a great place here to snare a homer ball if you can. Right now, like I said, Seattle's doing some batting practice. So, you know what? So we'll keep walking along here. With the reduction in capacity, the seats have more room this year. One of the complaints, including last year, I'll be quite frank, is things were too crammed together, and then also you know, when you have people like standing up or jumping up and down, and it makes it tougher, right? So this year, there's hot dogs. It's going to be a lot easier, so that's good. So down here, this area, there's more bars and stuff. You know, you can get your jerseys and stuff. The store, there's the J store on the other side, but this area I found is typically, there's a lot of action down here. It's a lot busier here. Oh, here we go. So like, here you go. Sometimes they will, oh, I thought they were. They'll toss balls to the crowd. That's kind of nice of them. Okay. Gosman, he had a really poor start in New York. Romano is injured. Springer's kind of cooled off. So hopefully the Jays will pick it up against these teams. You got Seattle, you got Colorado coming in. Unfortunately, then they got the Yankees coming in. So, you know, get the wins where you can, right? Get the wins where you can. This area here is definitely more the barish type area. So, and the Looney Dogs will be definitely making that stop soon. These folks enjoying their dogs. Here you got a good chance of catching a homer if it's a lefty with power. That's cool. And subscribe to the Blue Jays YouTube channel for the exclusive content. This area is pretty popular. Right here. This area is extremely popular. Players throw balls up here. Again, guys who have left-handed power. I think Ohtani bounced one off here last year. Again, bars here. Oh no, I think it was this area here that Ohtani bounced the home run off. What I'm going to try to do is at other games. I'm gonna show you the 100 today, but I'm going to try to show you the other levels as well in other games. This is the other J shop here. This is the busier one, right? The J shop? Yeah, this is the major one right here. You want your official Jays gear here? It's right here.
Baseball is so uncontrollable. You learn from the past and the forward.
Depending on what type of goodies you want, right? You gotta walk around here because not everything is set. Like, you got your hot dogs and stuff, but like Pizza Nova is, you know, specifically down here. I know on I think the 500s they have different foods. Obviously the bar section. So when you're down at the game, you know, if you want different things, you might want to look around on a map or something and see what they have available. Right? And it's not cheap, obviously, folks, you know. Let you know that ahead of time, obviously. Except for Looney Hot Dog Day, which is today. There are Tuesdays, so check on that as well. Yeah, foot long hot dogs. Those are not the Looney hot dogs. I've had those. I kind of found them salty. Oh, they got those Korean hot dog things here now too. That's interesting. That's it, eh? We went around? Alright, I'm gonna take a little bit of video here. So I think the Mariners are just standing up their warm-up. So yeah, I just want to thank you folks for watching. More baseball content to come. If you can help me, subscribe to my channel. Like this video. I'm a very small YouTuber. I just show what I think is cool. I appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoy. And thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.